my new friend. I have a new catbird friend. Thank you. You sweet bird, you. Yes, I'll fill that up. I'll clean it and fill it up for you. The minute I opened the door, I heard her. So I brought out mealworms. It stood right there. She was calling me like that. Her meow. She's telling me, give me more water. I'm standing right here. So she called to me. I got the mealworms ready. I thought, this is her day. I think it's a her because of the way she communicates. And I came out and stood right there. She came right up. I threw the mealworms. She's right there eating them. Yes, you were very happy. Yes, you're my new friend. I got another catbird friend. I'm so thrilled. Happy Friday. Love that tail. Wish she'd spread it wide. The tail is beautiful. This is a juvenile, by the way. Happy Friday. Peace.